Today I'm going to show you how to install this anti-tilt bar to the chain. Before the operation, you need to prepare this one, anti-tilt bar, and the mounting plate, R-type pin. This is screw and the nut to fix screw. The screw type need to be the diameter have to be 5 millimeter, and the length should not over 20 millimeter. The first step, we need to install the bar to the mounting plate. Insert and use the pin to fix it, like this one. Two sides has to be operation. Okay, it will look like this. Then we are going to install on the chain. Currently, the chain I'm using is from the TSD 60. We need to use the screw from inside, and then use the nut to secure it. Need to point out, this bar can be used to adjust the height. At least to fix 2 screws. In one side, so that to secure the plate. Okay, currently we finished the installation, and you will see the details. Need to point out, for this plate have to be vertical to the chain, and also the hole should be the outside, close to the chain, not inside. And this bar should be easily to move.